Today I'm going to teach you how to schedule email in Outlook. This is a really useful feature when you want to compose emails now, but send them at a more appropriate time later, whether that's during business hours or when your recipient is most likely to check their inbox. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Make sure you're fully signed in and that your inbox has loaded completely before moving forward. This ensures that all your settings and options are available to you. Once your email has been loaded, you're ready to begin scheduling. To schedule an email in Outlook, start by accessing your email tools. Click on the New Email button located on the top left part of your screen. This will open up a fresh composition window where you can craft your message. In the email composition window, scheduling an email is quite a straightforward process. Before you start typing anything, look at the top part of your screen where all your menus and tools are located. You'll see several tabs like Message, Insert, and Options. Click on the Options tab to reveal more settings and features. This tab is where Outlook keeps all the advanced email controls that most people don't use every day, but they're incredibly powerful when you need them. From the Options tab, you'll see the Delay Delivery option. Click on it. This will open up a Properties dialog box with several delivery settings. Here's where the magic happens. Look at the Delivery Options section and you'll see a field that says Do Not Deliver Before. This is exactly what we need. Set the schedule date by clicking on the date picker next to this field. You can choose both the date and the specific time you want your email to be sent. Take your time here to make sure you've selected the correct date and time, especially if you're scheduling across different time zones. Once you've set your desired delivery date and time, click OK to confirm your settings. The dialog box will close and you'll be back at your email composition window. Now you can go ahead and write your email as you normally would. Add your recipient's email address, type in a subject line, and compose your message. When you're done, simply click Send. Even though you're clicking Send, the email won't actually leave your outbox until the scheduled time you set earlier. And there you have it. You've successfully scheduled an email in Outlook to be sent at a specific time in the future. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.